Students, now it's time to begin the fresh topic, that is infertility. And before infertility, the previous topic was method of contraceptions, that is various way to prevent pregnancy. Apart from contraceptions, many peoples remain infertile throughout the lifespan, yet they do not use any kinds of contraception. That problems are called as infertility. Infertility means the condition in which couples remain fail to produce child. That the simple meaning. Large amount of our world population suffering with the problems of infertility, while they do not use any kinds of contraception throughout their lifespan. They live together and they adopt all kinds of features, all kinds of nutritional values that they were supporting, that they can help to support themselves for the fertile, but they are remain fail to produce child. That basic problems are known as infertility. So fertility and infertility are the two terms that they all are actually antonyms to each others. Without infertility, the discussion about reproductive health is actually incomplete. So this is the problems of reproductive health. Infertility is the problems of reproductive health, in which the simple meaning of infertility means, the simple meaning means the childless life. Childless life. And actually it is often the peoples, the couples having no any childs, that is in the society they are actually they are actually seen as the hated eye. So infertility is actually often just as like the sin, that is just as like the different kinds of problems. Keep in mind. Now without delay timing, let I describe the basic reasons behind the fact that the people remain fail to produce child. Actually not only female, male also responsible for the infertility in couple. That is, the female often blame for a childless couple, the female often blame for our society. It is most important question. Female often blamed for the childless life of a couple, but the same, that is in the same and parallel ratio, male is also responsible for the childless couple, and cause of infertility also through the male is also, the male remain also fail to produce gametes, that is sperm. So male has same kinds of the blame. Male should have the same kinds of blame rather than the female for a childless life in a couple. So let me talk about the cause of infertility in male and female respectively. Cause of infertility. First, in male. Actually in previous chapter I have discussed the male during the ejaculation required to release 200 millions of sperm. If there is a less amount of sperm rather than the 200 million, then the problems is known as oligospermia. Oligospermia is the condition when male do not produce sufficient amount of sperm during ejaculation. So this should be in your mind, oligospermia. And as you all know, the sperm should have a good motility rate. Listen carefully. The sperm should have good motility rate. If the sperm are 200 in numbers and non-motile, then there is the second region of infertility in male. That is, second region is non-motile sperm. Sometimes sperms are less and sometimes sperms are nil in the semen. If the sperm are less, then the word oligospermia will be used for them. If the sperm are nil, then their word is azoospermia. So azoospermia and oligospermia are two terms which used for the male only. That is, male partner is also responsible for infertility in couple, not only female. Female often blame in our society for the infertility, but male is also responsible for infertility, and the basic reason is oligospermia, non-motile sperm, and azoospermia. Now back to see what are the environmental, nutritional and other medical problems that cause the oligospermia, azoospermia and non-motility of sperm in male, that is the infertility in male. Actually it is found since previous researches, since last 10 years and 20 years researches, it was found that radiation is the major cause of infertility in male. Not only radiation, the antidepressant drugs means the drugs that often used for the depression, to overcome the problems of depression. The next problem is the cytotoxic drugs, that actually toxic for the cytotoxic drugs means that cause the effects, directly effect to the cell. For example, the cancerous cells, the uses, listen carefully, the drugs of cancers and drugs of tumors can also cause the infertility in male. Next is the hyperthermia. As we all know, the spermatogenesis required optimum temperature range below the body temperature. If the condition is warmer and the undergarments are very tight, there is the cause of hyperthermia. Next is the hydrocele. Hydrocele is the condition in which the prostate gland swell. The prostate gland in male testis is cause the swelling, and that is the cause of infertility. The next one is filaria disease. As you all know, filaria disease is caused through the Wuchereria bankrafti, a type of nematode that is responsible for infertility in male. Smoking, alcoholism, hormonal imbalance, nutrients like vitamin C and zinc. Listen, that is vitamin C and zinc enriched nutrition required for the fertility in male, but if the regular lack of vitamin C, regular ignorance of vitamin C and zinc may cause the infertility in male. Now back to the injured testis. If there is any problems regarding in the injuries of testis, there will be the infertility in male. Apart from the similar problems like radiation, antidepressant drugs, that is not hyperthermia, the filaria is not a common in female, but smoking, radiation, antidepressant drugs, high amount of salt in diet and low body mass value is some of the important cause of infertility in female. So let we talk about the infertility in female. Infertility in second one, in female. Most of the common factors like radiation, antidepressant drugs, cytotoxic drugs, anemia is one of the important reason for the infertility in female and male also. Alcoholism, smoking, and so many common features and common cause of infertility in male and female. But apart from the common, there are some uncommon reasons that cause infertility in male, and that uncommon reason is environmental problems like plastic residue in our diet. That is, when people use the plastic in the food and in the packaging of food and put them into very hot environment, then some residue of plastic remain left in the food that may cause the infertility. Painkillers, malnutrition are the other reasons for infertility in female. Painkillers, as you all know that the painkillers regularly used by the female, and that is a fashion, that is a common fashion. So avoid painkiller. This may also cause the damage of kidney. Malnutrition, that is a good amount of protein and vitamins required for the normal physiology, normal growth and physiology in human being. If the lack of nutrition in diet, there is a cause of malnutrition. Low BM value, low body mass value. As you all know, the body weight is also responsible for the fertility and infertility. If the body weight is higher, then there is a cause of infertility, that is called often as the low BM value and low lipid content. Low lipid content. Women's always required a good amount of lipid content in diet. If there has any low lipid content, this may cause the problems of infertility. High blood pressure, high BP is one of the other important factor that may cause infertility in female, and also the different other common features like steroids, painkillers, as I have told you, the other reasons that may cause infertility. So these are the different ways that can be explained the infertility in male and female, also responsible for the childless couple. Not only female, infertility also caused through the male partner and same as the female partner. But this is not a chronic problems, that is not a chronic problem, that is not a problem of lifetime. If the couples are childless and they feel that they do not produce child or gametes, then they can contact to the well-trained agencies, well-trained doctors or medication. Then doctors advise them to take a very important technology for avoidance of infertility, and the new technology that can avoid the infertility, that can cure the infertility, is known as ART, assisted reproductive technology. It is our next video lecture, assisted reproductive technology. So if the questions appear the cause of infertility in male and female, then you should also write them. And what are the cure of infertility? The cure of infertility occurs through a new trend, and that new trend is through the newly discovered technique that is known as assisted reproductive technology. So in next video lecture I will describe you about the assisted reproductive technology. I hope you have your concept regarding infertility in male and female is cleared. So if any of your society member blame a childless couple to the female only, then raise a voice against that kinds of blaming. Not only female partner, male is also responsible for infertility. In next video lecture I will describe you the cure of infertility, that is assisted reproductive technology. So infertility can be defined as the reproductive health abnormalities in which either male or female couple unable to produce gametes or remain failed to born child. It should be written by you, and I will also provide you the notes regarding infertility and cure of infertility. Thank you.